Hello friends, today we learn how to make 12-volt powerful emergency electric geyser easy at home. For making this project we need some components: glow plug, tap, plastic bottle. Now start to make. Round hole in the bottom of a bottle. Now adjust tab in this hole. Now another hole in cap and adjust glow plug, like this. Now another round hole in the top of a bottle, and adjust water pipe. Now connect wires with glow plug. I use old computer power supply. You can see glow plug heating very high. Project is ready for your test. You can see this time washroom temperature is 20 degree. And water temperature is 16 degree. Now on power supply and wait 1 minute. Now you can see temperature is going to 40 degree. You can adjust temperature with cold water, like this. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.